Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Microsoft Word, chapter number 9. So, before we start anything, let's learn what is Microsoft Word 2010. So, here Microsoft Word is one of the most popular word processing program that allows users to create a wide variety of text, document, including everything from essay and class projects to brochures and greeting cards. You can add borders, shading, tables, and graphics in the documents. So let's start how to open Microsoft Word 2010. To start MS Word, click on Start button, click on All Programs, click on Microsoft Office and click on Microsoft Word. Here we can see that Microsoft Word window appeared. Microsoft Word window appeared. Okay.